What's up, guys? Welcome to Jackalope Block Party Ventura, California. First edition of this amazing event that we've been talking about for so long. It's going down today. If you guys want to come, make sure to book your train. We got bike valet and tons of parking available in the downtown Ventura setting. So I want to show you a sneak peek before the doors open. Come with me. Guys, if you want to bring your skateboards, come and check it out. There's this open skate park thanks to Powell Peralta and Buena High School. We've kind of created this DIY setup. It's open, it's free, you just need to sign a waiver and enjoy. Guys, look at this. Amazing art made by the student at VUSD. It's a collaboration with Vita and Visit Ventura. Come and support the art school districts and all the beautiful art that we're showcasing here. This is the best vert ramp in the world. It's been quoted by some of the riders in the last Jackalope event, and it has arrived downtown Ventura, California for you guys to enjoy. The event is free and there's a ton of viewing experience that you can enjoy on both sides of the ramp. We also have an LED screen to follow the action very closely with the points, the ranking and whatnot. And there's a live webcast. If you guys can't make it, make sure to tune in on the Jackalope's YouTube channel and you can follow the action. We got Bob Burnquist doing commentary, that's gonna be amazing, and Todd Richard on the mic as well. Look at this. Thanks to Ventura County Coast, we're bringing all the action to you guys at home, wherever you are. We're putting together a live webcast, and what you're watching right now is gonna be the studio where the magic happened. As I mentioned, we got Todd Richard and legendary Bob Burnquist doing commentary here. It's going to be available on YouTube for semifinals and finals, Saturday and Sunday. Check out the schedule on our website, jackalope.co.